I love the leather on it. Like the leather cut in it is just, bro, what size are these?
8.5.
Damn, I'd break through these. Just look at that. Look at the leather, like, and the cream laces. Come on, like, let me have these.
No way.
Let me just put these. Let me just.
No way, dude.
Bro, like, what are you gonna do with them? You're not even gonna wear them, bro.
I'm gonna wear them.
You're not even gonna put them on.
Yes, I will.
You better put the cream laces on. I swear, I'm gonna find out.
See?
Are they better than the Hyper Royals?
Yeah.
Are these better?
You know how I know they're better than the Hyper Royals? Because you're willing to trade your Hyper Royals for those.
I was.
Those are crazy.
I was gonna be like, yo, I'll trade you the Hyper Royals for these, but these are women's exclusive are absolutely killing it. Like, look at the stitching, like. What is going on, YouTube family? Welcome back to another episode of Flight for a Hype Man, where we talk sneakers, right, man? It's your boy CJ. I'm here in the den with my homeboy Jordan, man. He just moved out, so we here in his new crib. I know we haven't made like a crazy amount of videos recently, but we are back with the Jordan 3 Maniere. These are a special women's exclusive, but of course, some of the males had to get their hands on this pair, and I gotta say, from my first impression, wow. I mean, where do I start in terms of the Jordan 3s? Okay, a lot of people don't actually like the silhouette and the design of the Jordan 3s, but what they've done here with these particular sneakers, with the story behind it and all the little subtle details, really elevates it to a whole different level of a Jordan 3 that we've never seen before. And I think they've done an amazing job. This may be in line of Jordan of the year. The first thing that stands out for me is the Quilted Liner. I don't know if you guys can see that, but all inside, you got this really nice, beautifully quilted liner all on the inside of the sneaker. Really screams out that quality that you would expect from a collab like this. The rest of the sneaker, it doesn't lack in quality at all. Now, specifically, I want to talk about the hold and sell. Right now, these sneakers are going for at least $500-600 bucks. I would suggest anybody that has a pair to definitely hold on to them. So if you have a pair, hold on to them, because I can definitely see these going up. These are probably the best 3s that I've seen personally. What they've done here, they've crafted quality and they've taken a colorway that's so simple and neutral to really match with anybody's wardrobe, that even if you don't like the 3s, such as myself.
Yo, what are you doing in my house, bro?
Damn it, I told you I was gonna do a review, bro.
What?
I told you I was gonna do a review.
Hold on.
You left the door unlocked.
Get out of here.
What do you want me to do, man?
Get out of here.
What do you want me to
Get out.
Bro, I have to get my car. I can't get my car, bro.
Screw your car. Move over. Move over, man. I leave my house.
Damn it. God damn it, Jordan. I'm out of here, man.
I leave my house unlocked for 1 second because I'm Canadian.
I
This
can't
is
get
what
you.
happens.
That's why I don't like you, man.
Man, listen. I think personally you guys should definitely hold this sneaker, especially because apparently people are saying that this is the Jordan 3 of the year, if not sneaker of the year. Comment down below if you guys think this is the sneaker of the year. For me personally, this is definitely one of my favorite sneakers that has released of 2021. Can I say sneaker of the year though? I mean, this is definitely the best Jordan 3 period right now. And keep in mind too, it's all about age. Now let me show you guys a sick t-shirt that I actually got basically when Maniere also dropped the merch on Livestock and other websites as well. Check this out. So check it out, guys. We've got the Maniere t-shirt, and you can see this. It's basically in that violet colorway, and you can see there it says Maniere and a black embroidery, and of course on the back it has a signature as well. And then moving on to the back of the t-shirt, you also have the Jumpman and the Maniere once again. Let's slap this on. Check it out, guys. You see the Maniere t-shirt. Now you can see here that it's a complete crew neck and it's not cut here. So yes, it does go all the way across the neck. And the cool thing about this is if you guys see the violet on the midsole over here, this is what this t-shirt matches with. I think this is a really sick combination. I'm gonna drip the hell out of this too. Now the cool thing about this is even though I got it in this colorway, also it did come in 3 other different colors. I chose to get this one because I thought it was a little bit different. It's not a black tee, it's a white tee. It's more like a plum colorway, and it goes with every single color on the sneaker as well, which is even doper. I would have to say that my favorite part about the sneaker though, for sure, is the quilted sock liner and the fact that they also come with cream laces too. Like, come on, I'm definitely gonna put the cream laces in this for sure.
I'm gonna put them in my mochas.
Whoa. So the question is, should you sell or hold? Guys, I'm telling you guys right now, this is definitely gonna go up to $900 to $1,000 one day. And I'm telling you guys right now because this is a Jordan 3 that a lot of people really wanted. Right now is a great time to buy them. And if you don't buy them now, you're gonna miss out. And I'm gonna mark my words for this one because I just feel like you can't get any better than this. Like, Maniere, they killed his collaboration in terms of the color blocking. They just did everything right on the sneaker. And the cool thing about this too is because it is a women's shoe, this Jordan 3 is a little bit longer. Usually I'm a size 9. I got a size 10 women's, which converts to a size 8.5 men's. And this actually fits me perfectly. But if this wasn't a little bit longer, I don't think it would have fit me. But thankfully it did. That's also a reason why that it'll go up too. This sneaker is definitely made for men and women as well. And because it fits a little bit longer, it's more accessible to men. So having said that, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and smash the like button. Follow me and CJ on our Instagram handles, which is in the link in the description below. And if you guys miss sneaker reviews like this, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss anything. We're going to be doing a lot more videos for you guys, especially challenges. So stay tuned. Trust me, we have a lot of heat on the way. But till next time, peace!